You see, the end is now the beginning. AI is now the input and the output. You don't have to start with a blank state anymore. In fact, my suggestion is get a whole bunch of end states, get a whole bunch of deliverables done by the AI, and then start the innovation process. Let me give you an example of this, a simple example. One of the things that clients asked us to do was to build a website, build a fully functional, responsive website and mobile apps. And one of the websites that we worked on cost $750,000 to do, 4,600 total hours, 15 weeks to execute, a whole bunch of tasks that we had to execute. And today, there are text to UI platforms that are out there. Galileo.ai is one example, where you put in the prompt and you can get the UI and the UX of your website in seconds, which you would have previously paid $700,000 to do. And so today what you can do is get a bunch of 10-year-olds and give them some M&Ms and ask them to recreate 100 different websites. So that's our starting spot, so that we can actually work with our users to figure out which one is best. You see, the end is becoming the beginning. This is changing how we fundamentally look at work. Let's keep on going. There's a thing called AutoGPT, the rise of AI agents, where you just put up a goal, and the AI will not only come up with the task list, it will execute against that task list. It's essentially doing your to-do list. Let me give you an example. We're here at Georgian College, right? So I said, you know, I want to know what the college is procuring. So I went to the Georgian College procurement site to see what it just bought. So I went to the site, I put in Georgian College purchasing. I put in the latest thing that you guys bought, which was a facility management strategy. Anybody who bought this here, by the way? Okay, we can talk later. So what I did is I put it into AutoGPT or God mode, that's a UI of it. I put in the exact description. I was lazy. I just put in the exact description. It came up with the task list, and then it started executing against it. It started doing that particular piece of work while I was on my TikTok. You know, people call this AutoGPT. I call this McKinsey 250 GPT, because we used to pay McKinsey $250,000 to do this. And in fact, you know what? You can pay me $100,000 to do this, and you can watch me watch TikTok while the AI is doing the work. So you see what's happening. The end is now the beginning. The world is changing.